Hello, I'm Abraham, and this is the first video in Python tutorial series. First things first, go to python.org, which shows your operating system and the version of Python that you want to install. Click the download button, and when the downloading is complete, go install it, check the boxes, next. And once you're done, you should be able to see the integrated development environment for Python, and it will open. And here you can do some Python code. As you can see here, I have installed 3.8.5 version, but you can install any version. Any Python 3 version. And you can access Python from the CMD or terminal by using Python.
And it will open here. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and stay tuned.